The shocking truth about your utility bills that no one tells you. What if I told you family like yours are saving hundreds of pounds a year, and that's easier than you think? Ready to stop overpaying and start saving? Let me show you. Picture this. Your utility bill arrives, and for once you're smiling. £60 less than last month without any major lifestyle changes. What if I told you that energy company don't want you to know this simple yet powerful money-saving secrets? Today, I am breaking the silence and revealing the insider tricks that could slash your bills by up to 40%. Why your utility bills are draining your wallet, and what we can do about it. The average UK household wastes £420 annually on unnecessary utility costs. That's money literally going down a drain. I've helped thousands of families reduce their bill using this little-known technique. Today's video will reveal 5 game-changing strategies can the big company don't want you to know about. These methods have been tested and proven by real customers, resulting in average saving of £250 to £400 per year. Get ready to take note. We are going to transform your monthly bill from a burden into a manageable expense. The ultimate money-saving utility hack you need to know. Smart meter mastery. Your digital money-saving assistant learn how to interpret smart meter data to identify energy-hungry appliances and optimize their usage pattern. Using electricity when it's cheapest, shifting your usage off-peak can slash your bill by 30%, including the best time to run washing machine and the dishwasher. The vampire energy hunt. Identify and eliminate standby power drain throughout your room. This silent energy vampire could be costing you £100 annually. Adjusting thermostat for each room. Use smart thermostat and room-specific control to set the perfect temperature in each room, reducing heating costs by up to 25%. The seasonal strategy. Master the art of adjusting your utility usage based on seasonal change to maximize saving throughout the year. In winter, lower heating when you're out. In the summer, switch to fan to cut cooling costs. Transform your bill starting today. Your action plan. As I mentioned earlier, these methods have been tested and proven by real customers, resulting in average saving of £250 to £400 per year. With other small adjustments, you could be saving thousands annually, if not more. That's an holiday fund or a significant debt payment waiting to happen. Start with the vampire energy hunt tonight. It's the quickest win and could save you £8 to £12 on your next bill. Share your current utility bill struggles in a comment below. I personally respond with customized saving tips for your situation. Remember, every pound saved on utility is a pound earned for the future. Let's take control of our bills together. Saving money is easier than you think. Let's start today. If you found this helpful, share it with friends and family because everyone deserves to save on their bill.